Gamboa, crossover, rejecting the screen. Offhand layup is good. Sees the defender sag off him, off of that handoff, and decides to pull up. Oh, Gamboa turning on the Jets behind the back dribble and putting Are, using his body as a shield and bump. And Gab Gamboa with an athletic play. And Gabat finds an answer. Gets it back down to 10. And sagutan ang nangyayari between the Scorpions and the Stags. Gamboa naman with a nice layup and draws the offensive foul, putting himself in the right position. Ipas bumaba na ng 3 or -3 ang Kalamangan. Pero ito, laging may sagot. His team is up by 10. By Kin. Ooh! Getting slapped on the arm by Kin. Getting that rebound, and there it is, Gamboa. Or the opposite of what he was dictating. And a nice find para kay Gamboa. Great play by the point guard, finding his big 6 seconds left. Oof, and Gamboa falling on the floor. And more drama in this ball game. Anticlimactic finish as unsportsmanlike foul ata ang natawagan. Yes. Confirmed it is an unsportsmanlike foul. And Gamboa is the recipient of that foul, so he will get 2 free throws plus possession, I think. And that will be it. Referees have to make sure that this game is under control, as it has been scrappy the whole time.